Hello everyone, I hope you watched the previous of the video in which we mounted this Dell N3048P, and in this video we are going to do the reverse or quite opposite of that. In this video we are unmounting the same switch over the same rack and even unmounting the rail kit from the switch as well. So now I have learned it, let's view it from this perspective. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to unscrew the black screw that you get on the switch. Okay, then using the same handle you can pull out the switch out of the closet. Okay, and after that you will see that the switch is stuck in this position. Okay, so you have to press this ribbon like thing from the both side. Okay, we get the same things from the both side. Okay, after that by pressing the ribbon you have to pull it, and now you will find that the pole of the switch has come out. Okay, so I am putting this switch aside for a second. And now the time to take the rail kit out as well. If you look closely you will find such plastic handles in the side of the rail kit. Okay, this is the key to open the rail kit. You have to do is to pull the rail kit towards you and assemble it from the front. Okay, you have to do the same for the another one. Pull the handle and pull it, and now both have been aligned, but the same handle is present in the behind of the switch as well, so you will have to do that from the behind of the closet as well. You can see this is the unmounted one. You pull the handle and now you can see that the rail kit has been unmounted. Time for the second one. But our task has not been completed yet because we still have to unmount. Once again, this will be the right position. Yes. So we still have to unmount these rail kits from our switch. As I just told you in the previous video, these are the locks that you have to pull out. So you can you can use your fingernail, and if your nail is not big enough, because I don't have any nails, you can use a screwdriver or a coin to do that. So let me find a screwdriver or a knife like this. Just have to pry it. Okay, and look how easily. Once again. Oh, I locked it again. How easily this things come. Same for the other side. You can see that there is a lock. You can use the prime side to pry it a little. Let me raise this bar. That's all. So that's all guys in this video. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for your time and patience.